A lot of holiday meals include a baked potato, and there are lots of different ways to make baked potatoes. So are there some that present challenges from a food safety standpoint that we need to be aware of?
Baked potatoes are one of these foods that historically we actually saw illnesses with a lot. Now these aren't baked potatoes that we usually see cooked at home, and here's why. So if I put foil around my baked potato and then I put it in the oven, I might create a situation where there's no oxygen around that potato. And there's one bacteria that we worry about in low oxygen or no oxygen settings, Clostridium botulinum. And it might be surprising for you to hear, but we actually had botulism illnesses from baked potato. But here's the key part about this. It's not about baking the potato in foil, it's about what happens afterwards. So I've got it really hot, I might create this environment where there's no oxygen. When I take that baked potato out, I wanna make sure that I unwrap it and take the foil away and expose the bacteria that's there to oxygen because it won't grow. And where we saw these illnesses and outbreaks were situations where someone would bake a potato in foil and then leave it at room temperature to cool for quite some time and then maybe reheat it later. And that's the risky step. So if we're gonna use baked potatoes with foil, bake them all you want, but then when they come out, let's remove that foil and allow them to have oxygen.